This is how to fix a Whirlpool Thin Twin washing machine where the washing machine will fill with water but will not spin or drain. Firstly, what I did was unplug the machine. Then, if you lift the lid, you'll see the location of the lid switch here. This plastic bit here presses down into the lid switch to allow the machine to run when the lid is closed and to stop the machine when the lid is lifted. I realized that the plastic bit that holds the lid switch in place has broken off, so I don't currently have a replacement lid switch to install right now. So for the meantime, what I'm going to do is I pried open the front here using a flathead screwdriver. Once that was pried open, found the lid switch, see it there, and I used a zip tie to hold the lid switch in the on position at all times. This can be a tad dangerous if you're not careful, but as a temporary solution, it should be fine as long as you're being careful about it. Now, when we plug the machine back in, we should be able to run the machine and it should spin and drain even until we replace the part here. Now with the machine plugged back in, I can start the spin cycle. And as you can hear, it works now. I can even lift the lid and it'll still spin, which normally would not happen when the switch is working correctly. I can turn it off. And again, this is a temporary solution until I can get a replacement part, but be careful, but you can consider it as a temporary solution.